Hey Spicer fans, Zach Heisey from the Dana Garage coming to you from SEMA 2023 here in the West Hall at Dana's booth. We're going to take you into the future a little bit here. We're going to talk about some of the electrification products that Dana has. Dana has invested very heavily in electrification market. We make high and low voltage inverters, high and low voltage motors, and controllers. We make a wide range of products for the EV market. And we electrify everything from the smallest golf cart, e-bikes, off-road mining equipment, off-highway equipment, and every size vehicle on the road. Dana has quite a large portfolio that you can see at danatm4.com. It lays out all of the different motors and inverters that we have, up to 800 volts. We also have 6 and 9 phase inverters and 6 and 9 phase motors. This is an example of the one that is in the King of the Hammers race car for their EV class. Dana's partnered with King of the Hammers to supply them with motors and inverters to run the EV class at King of the Hammers. And this is the example of those. So a lot of exciting stuff coming from Dana on the electrification side. If you want to see more, danatm4.com. That's it from electrification here at SEMA 2023.